Hello, Rider! Thanks for following along as we show you how to book a transit trip through our smartphone app. At the end of this video, you'll have all the tools you need to get around quickly and easily using on-demand transportation. Let's dive in. First, download the app through the iOS App Store or Google Play Store. Next, open the app and tap Register if you are using the service for the first time. Enter the cell phone number and tap Confirm. You will now receive a text message with a verification code. Enter the 5-digit verification code into the app and tap Confirm. Next, we ask if you'd like to opt in to receive notifications, which we use to keep you in the loop. Please tap Enable Location so that we can take your current location into consideration. Next, enter your first name, last name, and email address, and tap Confirm to finish setting up the account. Welcome to the home screen. To book a ride, tap on Where To. By default, your pickup spot is your current location. To manually enter another pickup address, tap on Current Location and search for a new point of interest or address. And select your drop-off location by searching for a point of interest or address. Next, tap Confirm Location to confirm your trip starting point. Now you will see the different services available to you. Please choose one based on your preferred time and fare. To customize your trip to fit your specific needs, enter in any additional trip details. You can either request an on-demand trip if you want to be picked up straight away, or you can book one later by tapping on Schedule. To request an accessible vehicle, tap on the wheelchair icon. You can also add riders, like companions, by tapping on the rider icon. When you're ready, tap Next and request ride to book your trip. Congratulations! You've booked your first ride. You'll now see a trip summary with key details. If you need to cancel your trip, tap on the Cancel button at the bottom of the trip details screen. If you need to walk to a pickup point to meet your vehicle, the map will help guide you. To book a trip for some time in the future, tap on Schedule. Simply select the desired day and time and follow the steps. You can schedule to leave or arrive by a specific time, depending on the type of service. When you're ready, tap Schedule Ride to book your trip. Congratulations! You've scheduled your first ride. To view a list of upcoming trips, tap the calendar icon and then on an individual trip to see its details. After your trip, please let us know your thoughts. Submit your trip feedback by tapping thumbs up or down. You can also provide additional feedback by leaving a comment. We love and appreciate hearing from riders. Thanks for riding with us, and see you soon.